All right, what we're going to do is we're going to wash some lettuce, and we're going to demonstrate how to wash and dry some lettuce. I'm taking my romaine lettuce and my butter lettuce, and you just kind of rub, especially in the spine area there, give it one good shake before you throw it in your colander. All right, and I'm just going to do a few pieces of lettuce here for this demonstration. So I've got it washed with cold water, and then I'm going to take, and this is my colander, I'm going to take and kind of shake it a little bit to try to get as much of the water out as possible. Then I'm going to place my pieces in my nice clean towel. All right, I'm going to put them spine down, and what I want to do now is just try to get off as much water as possible. So as you can see, I'm just patting it dry like this. Another way that you can do it with just a clean towel is kind of pick it up like this, hold the edges so it doesn't fly out, and kind of shake it a little bit. All right, and you really don't want too much water on your lettuce because your dressing won't stick then. Okay, now I'm going to pull my cutting board over, set that up, and you can tear your lettuce if you want, or you can cut it with your sharp chef's knife. Now, if this spine part here, sometimes I take and I pull off the very ends of it, okay, and here. And with my romaine lettuce, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to cut it right down the center, put it on top of each other, and this is what I just call kind of a rough chop. You want it to be close to bite size, but not really totally bite size, because otherwise it would just be too small. And I'm going to throw it on my platter. I can rip it apart with my hands. For your lab, I would really like you to have a couple of people do this as efficiently and quickly as possible. For my butter lettuce, I'm just going to rip it. So I rip it in half, put it together, and I just pull it apart like that, and I have my pieces. Once again, it's not really going to be bite size. It's going to be a little bit bigger than bite size, as you can see there. Now, I'm going to bring it all over here to my platter, and your job is going to be to kind of mix your different lettuces. You'll have probably 3 different kinds of lettuces, and you can, take and break it down a little bit more at it if you'd like. Kind of cover your platter with your lettuces. And for all of your vegetables that you prepped, you're going to take those vegetables, leave them in the container, the plastic container. You're going to put your homemade ranch dressing in with your container, okay? And then you're just going to shake this up like this, okay? You notice I used the rubber scraper to get it out. And put this, the dressed vegetables, on top, kind of in the center, but a little bit spread across, okay? And then at that point, we're going to put the warmed up taco meat on top of your salad. And you'll take your limes and you will put them around the edge. I'll cut that one down a little bit more. And you will also have tortilla chips that you will crush up and put on top, around, or even in the center on top, because this is where you're going to put your ground turkey. And that's how we're going to put our salads together.